going on, everybody? What's going on? I'm back at the house. Ain't too long. Got back at the house. A little tired. Man. I'm here in my room. I had a running out of memory for my computer, my desktop. So what I end up doing is, if I can get it, I had bought another RAM. This time it's 264. It's 232. It's 64-bit, 64 gigabytes of memory. I was looking for the 1 terabyte one, but the guy said they didn't have it. I didn't get it at Best Buy. I got it from Computer. Oh man, Micro Centers, Computer Store, big behind Computer Store, man. If I'm going to get some more stuff, I'm going to get it from that place instead of go to Best Buy. So what I'm going to do right now, I just cut the computer off, and I'm going to take the glass off, and I'm going to change the memory on it. So, but I wish I could do videos on it when I'm doing it, but I'm holding the camera and ain't nobody hold it for me. So let me unhook everything. I might end up moving this and go from there. All right, y'all. Peace. Okay, y'all. I got it open up. Here's the two RAMs. I wish I had 4 instead of 2, because I would have taken these 2 and add on to it, but it only have 2. So one day, if Lord bless me to get some money, I'm gonna update this motherboard and put another motherboard in it that will carry up to 4 of these and stuff. So yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna unhook, plug this, hit this right here, and this, take this out. Okay. Let's see if I can put this right here to look at me. And I want to take one out and match it. So we know this is up. So I want to match it. Now this one I have bought, it's faster, more powerful. Excuse me. So it goes basically like this. And like I said, this is something I'm trying to see here. So look, y'all. I want to stand up and put it in. And see how it goes. Let me put it like this. Take this out. Take this one out. Alright. Take this one out. And get this one out here. And I want to, like I said, I want to match, make sure I'm putting it in right. Alright. Now, something ain't right. Because it's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going in. Don't tell me it's the wrong one. Having a problem, so it's not. It's not going in. Now he said it do work on it, but this you see it's not going in the slot. Okay. Let's hope it is. You hope that what it is. Yeah. Now. Now that's the new one. Then the Koza. These right here was Koza, but it's a different brand. That's what they say, it's a different brand than what I had. But I'm gonna clean this off a little bit, and then we're gonna cut it on and see if it end up working. What's going on? I'm back at you again. I just put the RAM back in and show you. See right there? I'm gonna put both of the RAM in. I put the computer down here because I had want to give my desk more room. So I put the 2 RAMs in. And if you can see on the screen, I got more memory. So that's what I definitely had want, to get more memory. So now I'm about to put this glass cover back on, test it out, see how it goes. So just want to show y'all a little bit on that. So I'm gonna put this glass together. And these the old ones here. I'm gonna keep them, hold on to them. When I get another computer and they got low memory, see about putting them in. So other than that, appreciate y'all watching this. Like and share my video, hit that bell notification. Peace.